Oh my God, take a look at this thing. This thing is huge. Howdy folks, today we are going to review the Mega Grave Digger. Monster Jam Mega Grave Digger, that is. You know what's quite cute about this is this tiny, tiny remote. Here, there's my finger. This is about as big as my finger. It's a small remote, and then you have this big, huge vehicle. All right, it takes a USB charge port, and you can see it's sucking juice right now. So we gotta charge it up before we play with it. So that's what I'm doing right now. Pretty neat, huh? It's like, I'm drinking some power. That's just a simple USB port. Comes from right underneath right there. All right, so we're gonna let this charge for a couple hours, and we'll be back later this afternoon to have a little bit of grave digging fun. This is Monster Jam 2019. There you go. Oh, look at that. Let's find out the distance. Bring it out to the road. Go for it. That's pretty far. All right, bring it back. Wow, that has some pretty good range. Look at that kid over there in his little car. Sweet though. Pascal. he's awesome, isn't he? Look at him. All right, this thing is an absolute beast. For the price, it's perfect. I would highly recommend this. It's huge. It's a lot bigger than what you would expect. Definitely going to give this 5 out of 5 stars. It's going to be a great gift for somebody's birthday, Christmas. And if you have any questions, concerns, or anything you need to ask, feel free to write down in my video review. Other than that, thank you for watching and happy shopping.